Now we're going to discuss exactly how to use the jump rope to lose weight. Like anything in life, consistency is key when it comes to weight loss. You should aim for at least 20 to 30 minutes of jump rope exercises 3 to 5 times a week. As you progress, you can gradually increase the duration and intensity of your workout. Consistency is crucial in weight loss because it allows your body to adapt and make progress over time. By regularly engaging in jump rope exercises, you create a habit that helps you maintain a calorie deficit, which is essential for weight loss. Consistent workouts also contribute to building lean muscle mass, increasing your metabolism, and improving cardiovascular health, all of which are key factors in achieving and sustaining weight loss. Mixing a weighted jump rope, like the one I'm using right here, into your exercise routine can further enhance your weight loss. The added resistance from the weight increases the intensity of your jump rope workouts, leading to more significant calorie burn and muscle engagement. This can help you break through that weight loss plateau and continue to make progress towards your goals. Start by gradually incorporating a weighted jump rope into your routine. Choose one that you can handle. It shouldn't be too heavy, but one that's just heavy enough. Start with 1 pound if you're not sure what's too heavy for you, and just judge it from there. You should gradually increase the intensity and duration of your weighted jump rope activities as you improve your strength and endurance. Do make sure you're listening to your body and don't try to overexert yourself and push yourself towards injury. If you want to find out more about how jumping rope can help you in the fight against obesity, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'll be bringing you more content just like this. Jumping with a weighted jump rope can really be your secret technique to getting in really good shape and fighting obesity. If you want the jump ropes that I have in this video, you can go to crossrope.com/muscles15 and use the code muscles15 and you'll get 15% off your purchase. For all your other jump rope needs, you can check out my Amazon store down below and I have everything that you need there. Jumping rope can affect your body in many ways. And if you want to find out all the ways that jumping rope affects your body, check this video right here. I'm sure to help you. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, just start. We're about being perfect later. Peace.